Features of Python. Number 1, easy to learn. Python has a relatively simple keywords, simple structure and clearly defined syntax. This allows the student to pick up the language in a relatively short period of time. Number 2, easy to read. Python code is just like simple English language and much more clearly defined and visible to the eyes. Easy to maintain. Python's success is that its source code is fairly easy to maintain. A broad standard library. One of the greatest strengths of Python is that the bulk of its library is very portable and cross-platform, compatible on Unix, Windows and Macintosh. That is, it can run on any Windows operating system. Free and open source. Python is an example of an open source software high level language. When you write a program in Python, you do not need to bother about low level details such as managing the memory used by your program. Interactive mode supports for an interactive mode in which you can enter results from the terminal right to the language, allowing interactive testing and debugging of snippets of code. Portable. Due to its open source nature, Python has been ported to many platforms. It can run on any platform like a laptop, PC, desktop, etc. Interpreted. You can run the Python program directly from source code. Object oriented. Python supports both procedural oriented programming as well as object oriented programming. In a procedural oriented programming, the program is built around procedure or functions which are just reusable pieces of programs to which data is fed. In object oriented programming, the program is built around the object which combine both data and functionality. Extendable. If you need a critical piece of code in your program to run very fast or want to have a piece of algorithm to be hidden from the outside world, then you can write that part of the program in languages like C or C++. Embeddable. You can embed Python in your programs written in other languages like C, C++. Extensive libraries. The Python standard library is very huge. Database. Python provides interface to all major commercial databases. GUI programming. Python supports GUI application that can create and port it to many system calls. Scalable. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripts.